Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. The Organic Food Movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. Now, I don't usually film in the daytime because it's so hot out here. Last year in Texas, I'm in Austin, Texas. Last year in Texas, we had 2 months of almost 100-degree weather. So you need to understand that it's extremely hot here in Texas. So when you grow foods here, they might get problematic. So understand that. So you really got to pay attention to what you're growing and when you are growing it. Now, I wanted to show you what was going on over here with my Swiss chard. Now, as you can see, what's happening is I came out today to water my garden at 11 o'clock a.m. Now, I'm usually out here by 8 o'clock watering, but today I wanted to sleep in, so I'm a little late. But when I came out to water my garden, my whole row of Swiss chard was actually laying down. It was bending over or laying down. So therefore, when I saw that, I knew once I watered it, and you want to water it first before you add any kind of fertilizer, because you can burn your plants. So if you're going to add fertilizer on your plants, first of all, you have to make sure it's well watered. So if you get a water wand, that's really the easiest way to come out here and water your garden. So once you water your garden real good, you want to go ahead and put 2 scoops of liquid seaweed in a bucket, in a 1-gallon bucket. And then you want to take that bucket after you water, because again, if you water your plants first, you won't burn them. You always want to water your garden early morning, midday, or early afternoon, but never at nighttime. Wet leaves overnight is very problematic. It can cause diseases and fungus to grow in your garden.